Jim Kennedy, is it? Yeah, my goodness me. Caught up in everybody else's action there, unfortunately. And the way that Jim's been going tonight. It's the 6 car of Jimmy Kennedy, I'm told. It's hard to see from here, but I have it on good authority. It's the 6 of Jimmy Kennedy who's just been on fire. And as you can see, making a move from the rear of the field, committed to the outside run, the gap closed, but the problem with the 2 cars in front of him, and that's all she wrote. Very, very...